In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Krisp Pro for free. As you can see, my license expires on 1st November 2021. And before starting, make sure to open up a notepad. Now, create an Krisp account. Links for creating the account will be in the description. After creating the account, go to the referrals. Make sure to copy down your referral code into the notepad. And after copying down, sign out from your account. Now, the most important thing is make sure to sign out from the Krisp app. Now press the Windows and R key and type in local app data. Click on OK. After clicking OK, find Krisp file and delete the file. Now copy your referral link, paste and search it in the browser. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. After searching that, find this mail website in the description and copy the mail and paste it. Now you need to open up the Windows Krisp app by searching Krisp. After the app opens, it will automatically redirect you to the website, and now it says successfully signed in. Well, that's it. Now make sure to sign out from the temporary mail account from your website and your Krisp app as well. Press Windows and R key and type in %local data % and press OK. Do the same thing. Find the Krisp folder and delete the Krisp folder. Now log into your Krisp account. Well, as you can see now, my license has extended to 1st Jan 2022. Guys, if this works out for you, make sure to comment down below, like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.